Hello guys, today's video is about how to manage your account for swing trading. Now understand that swing trading is for a short term. Short term, it could be a few days, few weeks or a few months, but it shouldn't be exceeding 1 year. This is what we call swing trading. So why do we have swing trading? It's just to follow trends. Because sometimes a stock trends for a long time. I have seen stocks who can go 1 year and a half. It means strong. It means they go every day going up. Now there are some corrections, yes, but the trend continues. And this is what we are looking for. Now, this should not be the same as investing for the long run. And I have spoken about this because investing for the long run, it's another thing. So I will do another separate video for it. But for today, we try just to speak about swing trading. Now, I will just give you some explanations with diagram to see how this can work. Now, as you can see, now let's say that you have an account $25,000. Just an example, okay? It could be any account. So let's say this account you divide it into 5 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, these 5 positions, each position you give, let's say $5,000, 5K. So 5K for each. Why we say 5K? Okay, $5,000 is just because you should spread, okay, the risk. Okay, that's why we have 5 positions. Now, whenever in swing trading, here is the thing. Now, let's say here you buy a stock, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th you buy. So it doesn't mean that you should buy them on the same day. You can, whatever you find a good stock, according to our strategies that I teach, you can buy any stock. Now, when we buy a stock, we do, let's say here, stop loss. Now, like this, the X that I put is a stop loss to a certain number. It means whenever you buy a stock, you protect yourself with stop loss because we are not going to let the stock go down. So it's like this. Let's say we use the green line. This is the buy. Just in my chart, I always use the same thing. So for example, when I buy, I use the green line. Let's say it is $20.25. This is where I bought the stock. Now, let's say I put red is stop loss. Let's say this is 19.75. This is stop loss. Now, if the stock go down, I bought it here. If it goes down, I will exit. This has to do with protecting the trade. Now, this account, whenever a stock is going up, it means you succeed. You succeed in this one. You succeed in this one. You succeed in this one. You succeed, it means like this. The stock is making you money. Let's say now it is $30. You are making money. So leave the stock go up and don't stop it. Because we do stop loss here. It's just because when it's going down, when it hurts us, when it hurts, it means it's taking our money. So we should give the market only little money when it's going down. But when it's going up, we should leave it. There are a lot of techniques how to know if the stock is not going up. Now, what will happen to this one where the stock is going down? Okay, what you should do. Now, since you exit from this stock, two stocks, what you should do, you buy here. After a few days, for example, you do another buy. And here you do another buy. Let's say one of these buys was good. It goes up. It continues to go up. And this, it goes down. What you should do? You should buy again with the money. And if the stock continues to go up, so you will have all your 5 stocks. 1, 2, 3. This 1, 2, 3. They are excellent. Now you have one that it is this. You sell with a stop loss and then you buy again. This is average, and then this it is average again. But whenever they are making money, that's the deal. So you should continue working on that the whole year. Okay? If you just proceed with this with this money management and this management of your positions, your account will be always green. Okay? I understand that a lot of people, when they buy, they don't get success. This is just because you do mistakes in choosing stocks and following them. So this, if you are not having a green account, that means that you are doing big mistakes. That's it for this time management. Okay, so this is the simplest thing in managing the account. There is no a big secret that the people are looking for. The only thing is that you should practice on selecting stocks. This is a skill. Okay, it's not just someone shows you where to buy any stock and that's it. You will know the thing. You can't. You should do a lot of practice. Okay, and practice is king. Now, when you do a lot of practice, you will see a lot of kind of stocks, very fast stocks, slow stocks. Sometimes you see a big trend, but you don't see any kind of money. You will see all that when you begin to practice. And believe it or not, if you manage your account very well, because management has nothing to do with your trading, because most of the beginners, they are looking for just what is the stock, how to buy the stock, when to find it. That's it. But they are wrong, because if you don't handle and manage your account well, whatever you do, you will be negative at the end of the year, because your account will be very volatile. For example, let's say you put all your money into one stock. Okay, let's say we have a gap down. It's not about earning news. No, any kind of news, industry news, national news, international news. If you lose 10%, 20%, 30%, all your money is gone because you get hit so hard. Your account will not survive. Okay? So these techniques that I am showing here and explaining, they are extremely important in maintaining a good account. And by this, you will be making money in the future. No doubt about this. But most of the people, they don't comply with the rules. They don't follow instructions. And that's why they do big mistakes in their account. And then they lose a lot of money. And then at the end of the year, all their account is wiped out. And then they give up trading. And this is a problem that I am always trying to explain and give solutions for you guys. Okay? So thank you very much for watching. Please comment on the video. If you need, if you have questions, you can contact me by my email in the description. And thank you very much for watching. See you next day.